What is up, guys? It's your boy Colin Sherrick here. I am going to be attempting to do some cool tricks on this ledge here. Yep. And that's Everyone's like, you got problem? Stop. Get out of here with your mess. So I'm gonna be doing some cool tricks because I know that you guys think it's cool. I haven't seen me do. You guys haven't seen me doing this before, so I thought that I would just do it right here, right now. And if I'm yelling, you can't hear me, or you can hear me, it's just because I think it's really windy and I don't have a good audio. Because I'm on my iPhone 6 that doesn't have a line. So if I'm yelling and you guys can hear me, just tell me in the comment section down below. And that's where all these clips are. Boys. I'm still learning, just so you guys know. Alright, we're on. Let's get it! Oh, God. Hi, how are you? Good. I'm trying to land a trick. I'm trying to land this. But on the ground. I'm recording myself so I can put it on. It sounds hard. Never give up on a trick. Never. I gotta go slower, that's it. That's what I have to do. Go slow. Go slow. Out here, it's like so cold. Oh. You know what, guys? I'm gonna do a simpler trick, jumping off this here edge. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm gonna be jumping off it. You would like in this video, if you don't want to make this. Come on. Come on. and it.